की साइड से कि वो मुख्तसर से अपनी हाजिरी लगवाएं, उसके बाद हमारे सलाह खान जो मेहमान है उनको टाइम दिया जाएगा। नारे तकबीर, नारे रिसालत, नारे रिसालत, उलमाए अहले सुन्नत।
Most respected teachers, scholars, brothers, Salaam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, salawat and salam be upon the Prophet Muhammed. There's an Arabic proverb that those that came before us, they planted seeds. And so now, today, we are able to eat the fruits of those seeds. It's also upon us to plant seeds so that those that come after us, they're able to eat the fruits. It's a very deep and profound saying and concept. Just bearing this in mind, I'd like to pay a small little compliment, tribute to our respected teacher, subhanAllah, who has established this beautiful institution for 25 years. I remember the first day of this madrasa, there's probably about 4 or 6 of us students. SubhanAllah, 25 years older onwards, SubhanAllah, hundreds of people have benefited from this beautiful institution. You know, this is alam, this is from the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also myself and many of us that are here and in and around Peterborough as well, throughout, we've always remained indebted to our respected teacher, you know, without their efforts, you know, we wouldn't have memorized the Quran. Without their efforts, we wouldn't have the confidence to be able to stand here. We wouldn't have the confidence and the ability to be able to recite Quran and Kareem, Rabi, for example, or anything. And this is a debt that will always remain a debt. And this is a debt that we pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless our most respected teacher with the best of rewards in the akhirah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to honor our teachers, and may we, you know, become a great form of sadaqah, continuous form of charity for Imam Ya Rabbil Alameen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all with tawfiq. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.
Hazrat Allama Maulana Hafiz Musadaq Shaheed Al-Azhari Sahib